Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best motherboards for video editing in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best motherboards for video editing. The fifth product on our list is GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite AX. Equipped with the Intel Z790 chipset, the GIGABYTE AORUS Elite motherboard is one of the top choices for professionals focused on video editing and high-end gaming. It supports the 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Intel Core processors, making it highly adaptable for future technological developments. The motherboard's DDR5 compatibility and ability to manage up to 128 GB of memory ensure optimal performance even under the heaviest loads. From a thermal management perspective, the motherboard includes cutting-edge features like M.2 Thermal Guard 3 and fully covered MOSFET heat sinks. These are crucial for maintaining optimal performance by preventing thermal throttling during extended work sessions. The motherboard's robust digital VRM solution ensures stable and efficient power delivery, which is essential for system reliability under load. With next-gen PCIe 5.0 support and multiple M.2 slots, the Elite offers high-speed storage solutions that video editors will appreciate. Large file sizes require quick access and data transfer speeds, and the Elite delivers in this area. It also features 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN and Intel Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring fast and stable network connectivity for both professional and casual use. These networking options further enhance its appeal for those needing reliable internet performance. Up next, in fourth place, is the MSI MAG X670E Tomahawk Wi-Fi. The MAG Tomahawk by MSI is designed to meet the needs of video editors with a design focused on power efficiency and reliability. Supporting AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors with AM5 socket, it is built to handle intensive tasks like video rendering and effects processing. With a 14+2+1 duet rail power system, it ensures stable and efficient power delivery, critical for maintaining performance during heavy workloads. By focusing on cooling efficiency, MSI's extended heatsink design and M.2 shield frozer take center stage, preventing thermal throttling and allowing for longer periods of peak performance. This is critical when rendering large video projects or running high-demand applications. Paired with PCIe 5.0 slots and Lightning Gen 5 M.2 slots, the motherboard is built to deliver unmatched data transfer speeds, making it a perfect fit for content creators and gamers alike. Expansion options abound on the Tomahawk, giving you the freedom to connect multiple peripherals and cards with ease. The integrated Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 provide fast, reliable network access for seamless online collaboration and file transfers. Enhanced by premium audio components, the sound quality remains crisp and immersive. The Tomahawk stands out as a go-to motherboard for video editors who prioritize performance and stability. The third product on our list is the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus. The ASUS TUF motherboard is purpose-built for demanding tasks like video editing, offering a combination of rugged design and high-end performance. Featuring the Intel Z790 chipset, it supports Intel's latest 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Core processors. Its 16+1 daughter MOS power stages ensure efficient power delivery, maintaining stability during long video rendering sessions. Thermal efficiency is key to maintaining performance, and ASUS delivers with the TUF's extensive cooling solutions, which include VRM heatsinks, a PCH fanless heatsink, and M.2 heatsinks. This system effectively cools critical components, ensuring smooth operation without thermal throttling. As part of the TUF series, this motherboard incorporates military-grade parts that reinforce its renowned durability and reliability. With support for PCIe 5.0, the Z790 is built for future-proof expansions and ultra-fast data transfers, making it ideal for managing large video files. Its gaming networking capabilities, featuring Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 gigabit LAN, deliver fast and stable network connections. For professional video editors, the combination of performance and stability, hallmarks of the TUF series, is essential. The second product on our list is the ASUS ROG Strix X670E-E. ASUS's ROG Strix motherboard is for video editors who require the utmost in performance and technology. It supports AMD Ryzen processors from the 7000, 8000, and 9000 series, ideal for intensive video editing tasks. The motherboard boasts an advanced power solution with 18+2 teamed power stages, ensuring stable and efficient power delivery essential for high-stakes rendering and transcoding. Designed to handle the heat, this motherboard ensures peak performance with its integrated aluminum I/O cover and multiple M.2 heatsinks, perfect for intensive tasks like video editing. This setup is critical for maintaining stability and avoiding thermal throttling that can slow down your processing speeds during long sessions. The AI Cooling 2 technology further complements this by intelligently controlling and adjusting fan speeds based on thermal demands, ensuring efficient operation without manual tweaking. With PCIe 5.0 support and cutting-edge networking options such as onboard Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, the ROG Strix stands out in the connectivity department. This setup is perfect for fast file transfers and ensures low-latency performance during collaborative work or content streaming. The motherboard's wide range of I/O options and easy-to-use control suite make it an excellent pick for video professionals needing a reliable, high-performance platform for demanding tasks. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the MSI Pro B650MA Wi-Fi Pro. The MSI Pro Series motherboard, with its Core Boost and Memory Boost features, excels in delivering sustained performance for video editing. Designed to support the newest AMD Ryzen 8000 and 7000 series processors, it provides a formidable foundation for demanding software. The addition of DDR5 RAM support enables access to the most advanced memory technology, increasing throughput vital for editing high-resolution videos. This motherboard is noted for its robust specs and steadfast performance, making it an ideal choice for professional video editors. Featuring a premium thermal solution, the Pro Series ensures optimal performance for continuous high-output tasks. It includes a 7-watt MK thermal pad, additional choke thermal pads, and M.2 shield frozer, designed to prevent overheating even during long render times typical in video editing. The MATX motherboard also boasts a robust Wi-Fi solution and flexible tools, making it a choice for professionals requiring a dependable and efficient workstation. Crafted for both visual appeal and enduring performance, the motherboard showcases a sleek and professional design. With its sturdy construction, it promises longevity and provides ample space for future upgrades with several PCIe slots and M.2 connectors. Such versatility makes it ideal for creators who anticipate evolving needs and technologies. That's all for our list of the 5 best motherboards for video editing on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.